Salt Light in Urbana has been without air conditioning for more than a month, but thanks to donations, it will be up and running soon. WCIA 3's Courtney Bunting is here. So, Courtney, that must have been rough in July.
Absolutely, Paul. It was especially hard because all of their produce and things like chocolate didn't last very long. Luckily, the heat isn't quite as intense this week, but that doesn't mean they're out of the weeds yet. Repair estimates are at $25,000. They still have fans constantly running to keep shoppers cool. Executive Director Nathan Montgomery says the heat has kept some shoppers away. Thankfully, donations are getting them closer to their goal. They're already at $19,000.
It's been a real struggle, but in the midst of that, just kind of our regular folks have really stepped up, and it helped to bridge the gap. You know, the contractor dropped the price to, about $25,000. The, donors have kicked in to where we already have secured about 19 of that.
Montgomery says their customer base is continuing to grow, but they're still hoping to spread the word about their store. They want people to know that anyone is welcome to shop at Salt and Light, not just low-income people. And in the next week or so, they'll finalize plans for those repairs to their air conditioning. They hope to have it back up and running in a few weeks. Paul?
Well, that's good news, Courtney. Thanks for that update.